Hey traders, Dr. Barry Burns here with possibly the biggest announcement in Top Dog trading history. After thousands of requests over the last 10 years, I've finally broken down and decided that 2025 is going to be the year that I give traders what they've been asking for. So many people have told me that trading education is just too expensive, and yet they really are serious about learning how to trade. So I'm thrilled for the very first time to announce the Top Dog Trading VIP community. And this is where I will be actually meeting with you to help you learn how to trade twice a week with live sessions. So there will be an online community, there will be teaching and education, and in addition to that, I will be with you live twice every week to help you with your questions. As many of you know, Top Dog Trading has received the highest ratings on all of the social media sites, the review sites, Trustpilot, Better Business Bureau, Google, everywhere. And we deserve it because we've helped hundreds, even thousands of traders actually achieve their goals. But what makes me sad is there's still many traders out there who really have a super sincere desire and they have the work ethic where they say, yeah, I'm willing to put in the work, I just don't have the money. So that's why I've made the Top Dog Trading VIP community only $35 a month. 35 bucks. That's it. You order a meal to be delivered to your house, it's going to be $35. So if you can afford a meal, you can afford this. And by the way, this is not just a community and it's not just some coaching calls. It also is including a new course that I've never released before called my Super Simple Trading System. And it is the most simple system for trading that I've ever come up with. So you're getting that course included in this community. You're also getting access to some of the best things I've ever come out with in the past. So for example, you're going to get my options mini course. That's included in there as well. I've also put in there all my special webinars and seminars from the past. So all the best things they've ever done, they're in there for you to review over and over as much as you want. One of the big things that people struggle with is trading psychology. So I just said I cannot come out with this unless I also give people my trading psychology exercises, and they help to mold and change your way of thinking, feeling, your discipline, and the way you react to the market. So those exercises are in there for you as well. And of course, as the name implies, it's a community. So it's a whole group of traders helping traders. You're going to make friends in there, and some of you will become friends inside the community, and that might even carry outside of the community. You'll maybe make some trading buddies. You'll decide to trade together. You can contact people one-on-one or as a group, and it's a nice social environment. You're going to be able to ask some of the more advanced students some questions and look at some of their posts as well. And another thing that's really cool about this community is we put a competition in there. Now, this is completely voluntary, but if you're a competitive kind of person and you want to participate in challenges, we're going to have challenges every week and every month and through the entire course of the community. Our first live calls are already happening. So don't waste a minute. The calls are happening now. So go ahead, go to topdogcommunity.com. And that's where you can get involved, sign up, and jump in, start taking the free mini course, my Super Simple System course. That is a complete trading system, most simple system I've ever come up with. And then get on the live calls, start talking with people, start posting, start watching the videos. Everything, all the resources are in there right now, ready for you. This thing is live and happening right now. And do it before it fills up. Because since I'm doing this to give a lot of people a lot of attention, well, we have to limit the number of people that we can allow in so that I'm not overwhelmed and can't give people the attention that they deserve. So get in now while you still can. 2025 is the year of no excuses. This is affordable for anybody. And so join us, come in, traders helping traders. Let's do this together. Look forward to seeing you on the inside.